How to fix the challenge required on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having this trouble on Instagram and getting challenge required as an error code, here is what should be done. First of all, try logging in from a device that you have used before. While doing so, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do it by trying switching between Wi Fi and mobile data. However, if it does not work, head over to the home screen of your Android device and long press the Instagram app. Go to the app info section and then go to the third option of storage and cache. Tap on it and then clear the cache. After this is done, you can log out from your Instagram account and log back in again. While doing so, also make sure to disable any VPN that you are currently using. In order to disable it, head over to your device settings. Once you reach to your device settings, you will see the option of VPN under the networks and internet connections. If this does not work, you might have to uninstall and reinstall Instagram, which should probably help fix your error. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.